Hey everybody, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
And today I'm going to share with you my favorite interior car cleaner. It's very universal. It's the Turtle Wax Dash and Glass.
Okay.
I like using this on all the plastic interior parts on my vehicle, as well as the inside of my glass.
Okay.
So it can clean off the fingerprints that like Phil uses.
That's right.
Or that Phil places on my window because he's like, oh, look at that right there, and he's tapping my glass. I can just wipe them right off with this.
I get my greasy, grubby hands on everything. So it sounds very convenient, sounds great. Let's see how it goes.
All right, stay tuned. So I'm sitting here a little awkwardly because the sun is really like right in my face.
Yeah.
Phil's running the camera for us now.
Yep.
So he's behind. So this is the Turtle Wax Dash and Glass. All you need to make this stuff work great is just a microfiber towel. Any microfiber towel will do. And you just simply spray it, like for instance on my steering wheel here. Spray it and then just wipe it off. It's that easy. And it just takes the dust right off. You can even use it on your speedometer glass. And it's just quick and easy. It's the easiest spray for this that I can find that works on both like your speedometer glass, your touch screens, as well as on your interior glass like your windows. It's pretty nice. Now we're going to show some montage shots of me wiping this filthy dash. This Turtle Wax Dash and Glass, it's a nice little product just to use for a quick touch-up. Not to get your car showroom shine ready, but just to keep it clean, general everyday type of clean. It's a good product. Also, it leaves a Caribbean breeze smell. Come in here, Phil. Smell this smell. Can you smell it?
Let's see.
You smell that?
It's just like a Caribbean cruise.
Yep. Not too overwhelming.
Yeah.
Pretty nice.
I can hear the steel drums.
But overall, I'm a satisfied customer with it. I've been using it for about a year now. If you're interested in it and you want to get your own to try it out, I got an affiliate link in the description below. As always, like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified for other videos. I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
And we're out.
Bye.